Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Scorpio, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. All right, Scorpio, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for all your beautiful comments. I really enjoy reading them, and for your likes, I'm very grateful. And if you're new here, Scorpio, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Beautiful, my God, Scorpio, Empress. I start with the Empress and the Queen of Cups. I mean, this is the same person mirroring each other, embodying, self-care, self-love, working on themselves, Eight of Pentacles, getting over heartbreak. Maybe somebody walked away, okay, and became clear. Okay, all right, so very clear message, justice in reverse. They're allowing karma to do their thing with their person, I think. I have the Justice and the Judgment card in reverse, right? As to how maybe they're feeling about their person. But whoever this Empress is, Scorpio, I feel has walked away from a situation which was all full of conflict. They could be in a very powerful position right now. They could be very beautiful, intuitive, kind, loving, and have their shit together. I mean, they have done a lot of work on themselves and very intuitive as well. I think I already said that. This person has healed. They've healed after walking away. They've healed from their heartbreak, and now their path is absolutely clear. Ace of Swords. Let's see, Scorpio, if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, then we'll clarify all these cards. Scorpio and their person, spirit. Scorpio and their person. If they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Okay. Let's take a few more from here, Scorpio. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few more from here and begin your reading. One more. Thank you. Okay, good to go, Scorpio. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, your indecision is a decision and your non-action is an action. Decisions and actions have consequences. This includes not making a decision or taking action towards me. So somebody, like I said, is leaving the other person to deal with their karma now. Saying, face the consequences now. I stopped believing in love, but after seeing your smile, I became a believer again. I love you with all my heart, mind, body, and soul. I can't get you out of my head. I think about you always. I know that we are soulmates, forever entwined for eternity. I feel your energy and receive your telepathy. I reach out and show you how much I care and offer you support. You read my messages and I feel you even more, but then you stay silent. Your telepathy is a contradiction to the silence. I just simply can't understand this. If you love me, let me know and let it show. If you don't love me, please set me free and let me go. This could be this Empress who's actually made a decision for themselves now to free themselves. The silence is so unbearable between us. I wonder if you're punishing me because of the 3D challenges. Or did I push you away due to believing the obstacles in our lives were too great to overcome? I surrender and trust in God and divine timing. If it's meant to be, it will be. When I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and soul because that's where you are. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. I enjoy your company, but I do not want a commitment. I'm working through issues with my family. All right, so Scorpio, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Scorpio. Blessing, guidance, advice. Look deeper. What you see in the surface is not what is real, Scorpio. A lot of people behave in certain manners and you judge them or feel a certain way, but one never knows what's going on, in their feelings or what they are going through. So maybe just have a little bit of compassion, look deeper to what's really going on here. It's very difficult because people wear masks, right? But look deeper. Maybe it's just that you have to look deeper at the lesson that you've learned from this partner. Okay. So, Empress. Let's give the mic to this Empress, looking beautiful, sitting on her throne. Would you like to say something to us, Empress? And who's also the Queen of Cups? Empress, Queen of Cups, what would you like to say? Okay, one more. Okay. So the Empress says, yes, I did feel a very strong soulmate connection with my person. I did love this person. We were soulmates, we are soulmates. But this person ended up kind of emotionally manipulating me. I know they love me and I did love them as well. But I have a feeling now this Empress is trying to guard themselves against any emotional manipulation. They've realized that their person who supposedly is their soulmate turned out to be a bit of an immature energy. Somebody who was not up to this Empress's level. And can you imagine two soulmates? One is an Empress and one is a Knight of Wands. Inconsistent, never keeping their promises, in and out, playing around. So I think this Empress has gone into self-love. They're guarding their energy at the moment. Queen of Cups. Yes, they feel there's no point in fighting for this person because they've always been made to feel like a loser in this connection. Their person always made them feel not good enough, maybe, or always put them down. Maybe they were masking, like I said, look deeper. They were masking their own insecurities because maybe they didn't feel good enough and masked it, in this kind of behavior of my way or the highway, or I am going to show you who's the boss, or something like that. And maybe this Empress has now gone into self-love and is moving on to a stable, brand new beginning for themselves by concentrating on their own stability. A lot of work has been put in here by this Empress. It hasn't come overnight. Eight of Pentacles, Spirit. Eight of Pentacles. Yes, this Empress is turning their back. This Empress is turning their back. Even though this connection still seems a little open-ended at the moment, it hasn't shut down completely. One more, Spirit, but things are changing. Things are changing, slow and steady. Things are changing. What's this Ace of Cups, Spirit? Yes, somebody is holding back. Somebody is holding back, maybe totally into self-love. I don't see them moving on to anybody new at the moment, but has made it very clear that, I'm healing myself. I am getting over my heartbreak. I don't want to spend the rest of my life in sadness and regret. And even though I think the other person may want them back, from what I feel, the other person could have communicated also that, hey, let's have another go around. I don't want to lose you, or I don't want this connection to end. I do still love you. This Empress has kept their strength up to say that I'm not going to go back into another cycle of sorrow, regret, pain. I've already healed myself. I would rather be single, abundant, take care of my own pentacles, and kind of just look after myself now. I've learnt my lesson. So Eight of Cups, Spirit. Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups. What's this? This Empress has walked away from a very troublesome situation. Absolutely put their guard up, saying, I'm not going to fight. I'm not going to get into any conflict. I don't want any rash behavior in my life. I'm putting this to a stagnancy. I am walking away from this, or has already walked away. Lots of aces on the table. Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and now Ace of Swords. What's this Ace of Swords, Spirit? Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. It's left the other person. Now the other person has got that clarity, I think. Now they are stuck in limbo. They feel their stability has been destroyed. Their Four of Wands is in reverse. And as much as this person wants to have that power, have that control once again, I think they are being rejected. Yes, and that's karmic justice. The Empress has taken back power, taken back control of their own life, and is celebrating life. But the other person still wants a reconciliation. They've still got their eye on this Empress. Five of Wands. Five of Wands. Five of Wands. Somebody feels that whatever games they played has totally backfired on them. All this conflict, all this competition, or whatever this masculine brought into this connection has ended up in ending of a cycle. This Empress has made a decision to release any toxic behavior or toxic connection from their life. Star in reverse, Spirit. Star in reverse. Somebody is now very depressed, has lost hope, still wishing and hoping, wanting to have some communication with this Queen of Cups to ask whether it's still possible to have equal give and take or come back into a partnership. But they do feel that their wishes may not come true now. Judgment in reverse. What's this Judgment in reverse, Spirit? Yeah, somebody is feeling that they have bad luck, bad karma. Things are over for them. Their person has already walked away. Things are out in the open now, and there are no second chances here. Somebody's walked away after they're clear about what is happening here. They've left this connection out in the cold, not willing to give a second chance to a connection which never brought any justice to them. Am I right, Spirit? Judgment in reverse. Yes, no new beginning here, Scorpio. Fool in reverse. Fool upright would be a brand new start, brand new beginning. Let's start again, let's take a risk. But the Fool is in reverse here. Let's take a card for Justice in reverse as well. What's this Justice in reverse, Spirit? Justice in reverse. Justice in reverse. Yeah, somebody doesn't want to... Somebody doesn't want the stress of having sleepless nights, of stress, tension. Why? Because in this connection, I think they saw a lot of conflict. They don't want to work on this connection. They don't want to work on this connection anymore. They do not accept this commitment or recommitment or whatever it is. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.